Hello everyone and welcome to a new lecture. Graph a dataset histogram. So we have already created bar charts, we have created line charts, we have created box plots. So now we are into the histogram. Because of the nature of histograms, we really need more data than is found in the example dataset we have been working with. Now let's start to discuss about histogram. First we have to import dataset from CSV file. Okay, so since we have already imported that, we can, let's see if we can just, okay, so we have created this, but now I'm going to cancel that down because we have to make some changes. Okay, so now let me go where I have imported the file with the library. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to copy this down. We have great data, and then we have to go for the location. Okay, I'm going to copy this down. I'm going to paste it over here and import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now we have this. Okay, now we have some various charts regarding age, exercise, grade, and hours. And because pandas is not sure which column you wish to count the values of, it gives you histograms for all the columns with numeric values. So in order to just see the histograms for just hours, we can specify it as in like df dot hist column hours. We have this. As you can see, complexity, it's not complex, it's basically quite easy. Just you have to add one line of code. So, and to see histograms of hours separated by gender, we can use this code. So it's almost the same. df, we have to include df every time with the data frame, and then we have to include the column, then we have to write the what we are going to import that in the column section, then by gender. Okay, so we have this one for female and one for male. Okay, now we have a mini challenge. The challenge is that, can you create an age histogram categorized by gender? Wait, let me add the mini challenge heading. Challenge. Okay, so here it is. Look forward to it. It's quite easy, and then we will meet in the next lecture here, where we will discuss graph a dataset, which will be pie chart.